Most people think adding Hulu to their Spectrum account should take 2 minutes. But here's the problem. They end up stuck in an endless loop of login screens, activation errors, and billing confusion because they skip one critical step right at the beginning. And honestly, this happens way more often in 2026, because streaming bundles have become incredibly complicated. Here's the truth no one tells you. Adding Hulu to Spectrum is usually less about technology, and more about understanding how your subscription structure actually works. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add Hulu to your Spectrum account, the biggest mistakes people make during setup, how to avoid duplicate billing, and the hidden issue that causes most activation failures. And later, I'll show you the fastest way to fix account linking problems without wasting hours with customer support. So let's get straight into it. First, you need to verify whether your Spectrum package actually supports a Hulu offer or streaming bundle. This is where most people fail immediately. They assume every Spectrum customer automatically gets Hulu access. That's not always true. Some Spectrum packages include streaming promotions. Others do not. And sometimes offers are only available to new customers, specific regions, or upgraded plans. That distinction matters enormously. Now let's make this practical. Imagine Jake sees an ad online mentioning Hulu access with Spectrum services. He immediately downloads Hulu and tries logging in using his Spectrum credentials. Nothing works. Why? Because his specific Spectrum package never included the Hulu promotion in the first place. This happens constantly. Now here's where things get interesting. Many people think they have a technical problem when they actually have an eligibility problem. That's the hidden reality most users completely miss. So before doing anything else, log into your Spectrum account and review your active services and promotional benefits carefully. That one step saves huge amounts of frustration. Now let's move to the second step. Activate the Hulu offer through the proper Spectrum-linked process. This is critical, because many users accidentally create separate Hulu subscriptions before activating the bundled version correctly. And honestly, this is one of the biggest streaming mistakes in 2026. Now, let's say Alex already pays for Hulu independently. Later, Alex upgrades to a Spectrum package that includes Hulu.co. Instead of linking the existing setup correctly, Alex accidentally creates another Hulu subscription during activation. Now there are 2 billing systems, 2 account paths, and massive confusion. This happens far more often than people realize. Now here's where most people fail again. They use different email addresses for Spectrum and Hulu. That creates account conflicts immediately. The cleanest setup usually happens when your Spectrum login, Hulu activation, and streaming credentials stay organized consistently. Simple organization prevents huge headaches later. Now in a minute, I'll show you the hidden issue that causes endless activation loops on smart TVs. But first, let's finish the setup process. After confirming eligibility and completing activation, sign into Hulu on the devices you actually use most. That could include smart TVs, Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, Xbox, PlayStation, or mobile devices. Now here's where things get interesting. A lot of users technically activate Hulu successfully, but still think setup failed because the app doesn't update immediately. This is where most people fail once again. Cached login sessions. Sometimes devices continue using old account information even after successful activation. A full sign-out, app restart, or device reboot often fixes the issue instantly. That simple trick solves many activation failures. Now let's discuss the hidden issue I mentioned earlier. Existing Hulu subscriptions tied to app stores. This creates major confusion. Imagine John subscribed to Hulu through Apple, Google Play, or Roku billing. Then later, he tries adding Hulu through Spectrum. If those billing systems overlap incorrectly, account conflicts may appear because multiple subscription paths exist simultaneously. That's why understanding how your Hulu account is currently billed matters enormously before linking anything. Now here's where things get interesting again. Streaming companies today care heavily about ecosystem control. That means billing systems. promotional access, and subscription management often operate differently depending on where you originally subscribed. And honestly, this complexity keeps increasing every year. Now, let's discuss another important issue: activation timing. Some users expect Hulu access to appear instantly the moment they upgrade Spectrum services. But account systems sometimes require processing time before benefits activate fully. That delay creates confusion for impatient users. Now here's another mistake people make: troubleshooting devices before confirming subscription status. That wastes huge amounts of time. The smarter approach is: verify eligibility first, confirm activation second, then troubleshoot devices afterward, only if necessary. That sequence matters. Now let's talk about another hidden factor: promotional expiration dates. Some Spectrum streaming offers are temporary. That means Hulu access may only remain included for a limited period, depending on your promotion. This surprises many users because they assume included means permanent forever. Always check billing details, promotion duration, and renewal pricing. That clarity matters enormously. Now here's where things get interesting. Some users actually save money by keeping Hulu separate instead of bundling everything together. That sounds strange at first. But if your Spectrum package upgrade costs more than the Hulu subscription itself, the free bundle may not actually save money overall. That's an important mindset shift. Now, let's answer the practical question viewers really care about. What's the fastest way to add Hulu to Spectrum successfully? Simple. Verify your Spectrum plan includes Hulu.io. Use the official activation flow. Avoid creating duplicate Hulu subscriptions. Keep email addresses organized. And restart your streaming apps after activation finishes. That process solves most setup issues quickly. Now here's where most people fail one final time. They never check how future billing works after activation. This matters enormously. Some users assume Spectrum fully covers Hulu permanently, while separate Hulu billing continues quietly in the background. Always verify who bills you, how renewals work, and where subscription management happens. That prevents surprise charges later. Now before we finish, let's summarize clearly. How do you add Hulu to your Spectrum account in 2026? First, confirm your Spectrum package actually includes Hulu access. Second, activate Hulu through the official Spectrum-linked process correctly. Third, sign into Hulu on your devices and verify playback and billing details carefully. That's the cleanest approach. Now here's the most important takeaway. Most Hulu activation problems are not device failures. They are account structure and subscription management problems. That's the hidden truth many users never realize. So, here's the bottom line. Adding Hulu to your Spectrum account can be very simple in 2026 if you focus on eligibility, correct account linking, and billing clarity first. The smartest users avoid duplicate subscriptions, organize their login details carefully, and verify how streaming promotions actually work before activating anything. That saves huge amounts of time and frustration. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the most confusing streaming bundle you've dealt with recently. And if you want, I can also show you how to link Disney Plus, Max, and Peacock with internet and cable providers step by step.